Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to be talking about adding and subtracting 10 and 100. Now, when we think about this, we always want to think about place value, right? Because that's really important and that's what's going to make this easy. So if we want to add 10 more, what place value should we look at? Good, we should look at our tens place if we want to add 10 more. So right now we have a 3 in the tens place. I want to add one more 10. So let's add one more 10. This gives us 4 tens. So 10 more would be 246. Good. Now let's look back at our base number. I have 236. I want 10 less, so I want to take away a 10. Now my number would be 226, right? Our hundreds didn't change and our ones didn't change, just our tens. Okay. Go back to our base number here and bring our 10 back in because we're at 236. Now I want 100 more. So now I'm not going to be looking at that tens place anymore. I'm going to just be looking at our hundreds place because we are changing the hundreds. Okay? So I have a 2 in my hundreds place. If I want 100 more, I need to add 100. Okay? So here now I have added 100. Now this makes my number how much? How much do I have now? 336. Notice how again nothing happened to my tens and nothing happened to my ones. 336. Okay? Back to our base number of 236. Now I got 100 less. So I'm going to go ahead and take away 100. Now I have 136. Perfect, boys and girls. Now we want to look at a different number because that was an easy one. Nothing changed too much. But what if I have a number like this? Let's do 198. So let's build 198. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I want you guys, when I organize these, I want you to think about bundling again and why we bundle. Think about when we bundle and why we bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now again, let's start with our tens place. I'm looking just at my tens place now. 9. I have a 9 in the tens place. So I'm going to have to add one more 10 if we do 10 more. In your head right now, you should be saying, Miss McMurray, stop. Can I have this many tens? No way, Jose. I cannot have this many tens. Right? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You notice how I go into the hundreds place. So I'm going to bundle these guys, right? They're all together. I'm going to bundle them. Swoop. And I'm bringing over my 100. So now I have 200, 0 tens, and still 8 ones. So think about it. The only reason why my hundreds place changed is because my tens got bundled as 100. Okay, so let's bring our original number back over, right? Our 9 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 198, and let's do 110 less. That would give us 188, because there is no need to bundle. Now let's do 100 more, right? The first thing you want to think is, what place value am I looking at? You're looking at the hundreds now. So I'm going to add 100. Okay? Nothing here is changing. My tens aren't changing. My ones aren't changing. So now I have 298. Back to our original number. 198, and we're going to take away 100. We're going to take away one of these. This leaves me with just tens and ones. My tens did not change. My ones did not change. I just took away 100, so now I just have 98. Remember, chat your teachers if you need help, boys and girls. We are looking at place value to help us add and subtract 10 and 100.